How to convert my half double crochet colorwork graphics to be compatible with knit and knit duplicate stitch. This is my first attempt at duplicate stitch. I used the Umbrella Girl graphic from my vintage kitchen sweaters pattern on a machine knit swatch. A similar project gauge makes for a similar sized graphic. I looked up some tips for improving before I moved on to this sloth sweater. I will be demonstrating on this machine knit base super cropped teal pullover. You can add my graphics to a thrifted knit or an old boring basic using this technique. You can also use this conversion to knit the colorwork right onto the project. I will be using my free sloth graphic from autumnolive.com. First, you will need to find your center, or wherever you will be placing the graphic. The sloth graphic is 13 half double crochet rows tall and 35 stitches wide. 2 knit stitches stacked are equivalent to 1 half double crochet. So 13 half double crochet rows doubles to 26 rows on the knitting. 35 stitches wide remains the same for both.